This is release question number 2 for the California Standards Test, or CST, for geometry specifically. It says in the diagram below, angle 1 is congruent to angle 4. So we can draw this on the picture. We could say that this right here is the same measurement, has the same measurement as that one right there. It says that's true. Now, which of the following conclusions does not have to be true with what we have here? So part A, is this necessarily true? In other words, does angle 3 and angle 4, do those have to be supplementary angles? Well, look at these. They have to be congruent angles because they're vertical angles, but I would say they don't have to be supplementary. They don't necessarily have to add to 180. And so it seems like this is true. I'm going to circle this for now, but I'm going to check the other ones to make sure that these are wrong. So part B, line L is parallel to line M. Does that have to be true? Well, if you remember your CIA, AIA, alternate interior, alternate exterior, consecutive interior angles, those kinds of things, these are alternate exterior angles. So angle 1 and angle 4 are AEA. And there was a theorem that said if you have alternate exterior angles congruent, if that's true, that implies that the lines have to be parallel. So that implies that the lines are parallel. In this case, the lines are L and M. So lines are parallel. There was a theorem that said that, and so this one, it has to be true. It's saying here which one does not have to be true, but this has to be true based on this theorem right here. So this one, this goes along with this. That's why that one's a no. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. Does this have to be true? Yes, it does. If these lines are parallel right here, that means this would have to be congruent to this. These two would have to be congruent by corresponding angles. So these are congruent by corresponding angles. Because we can prove the lines are parallel, we can prove that corresponding angles would also have to be matching up like that. So not that one. And 2 and 3, right here, 2 and 3, these ones would be congruent by alternate interior angles. They are on alternate sides of this transversal, but they are on the inside of these parallel lines. So this would be true by alternate interior angles. So not B, C, or D, choice A. Choice A holds up. It's the one that makes sense.